have to do it. I don't know if
And they got a jalapeno eating contest. Of course I gotta sign up.
I will die if I can.
They got a Jenga.
You gotta jump the fence first. Anybody, jump the fence. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. This guy's thinking about it. Don't go anywhere.
Yeah.
We're gonna do this right now.
I already signed up. Say hi.
Is that? Oh, hi. Is that what Facebook
Get you set up.
Alright, we're heading to backstage right now.
Raider jersey. We got Raider fans in here. Only one. Tom, what's your strategy?
I'm just gonna beat Ian over there. I'm gonna watch him.
There you go. Take your spot. We got Entoro Jimenez. Is that your real name? No. What's your real name? Jeremiah. Jeremiah Entoro. What's your strategy for this?
I have no strategy. I am a jalapeno.
Oh.
What do you say? Holly
Let's put you right here. Let's go with Jose Gonzalez. He's got the Chevy Motor Division truck. Look at that. What's your strategy, bro?
Just go with the flow.
Oh, just go with the flow. All right, take your spot. We got Flo. Flo, is that your name? Yeah. Flo, we got Flo. All right, Flo. What's your strategy for this jalapeno eating contest?
Being Asian?
Brother guy, do you got anything to say about that?
He's gonna win.
He's gonna win. There you go. Take your spot. Y'all better make some noise for the only female in this competition, Alyssa Edwards!
Scream! Yeah!
Alyssa, what is your strategy? You're facing 5 guys in a jalapeno eating contest. I saw your face when Jesse said there's serrano peppers.
Guys don't scare me. No peppers.
Oh, okay. All right.
I like it.
Are we ready for this, brother guy?
We are ready. Contestants, are you guys ready?
Are they ready? Have Jesse explain the rules to them one more time, right here.
All right, you guys gonna eat the jalapeno first? Get a taste of what a pepper really is, that it's not hot.
On the start of the music.
And then we're gonna go out to serrano peppers. The first person to drink water taps out. We go on to the next person, to the next jalapeno, and the next, until the last
restrooms are right over by the Ferris wheel. Just run over there. If you have to jump off the stage, we're not liable for anything, but just letting you know.
We got baby wipes too, because
baby wipes.
It's gonna burn. It's gonna burn, baby.
All right, as soon as you guys hear the music start, you guys ready? You guys ready for this? Woo! Make some noise. Are you guys ready to watch me eat some jalapenos? Yeah! On your mark, get set. Go!
Gotta go all the way
Gotta
down.
eat it all the way. Season everything.
Season everything.
Make sure you swallow it too. Open your mouth. Make sure you swallow it.
Wait. There. You're slowing down now. No, it's gotta go down. It's almost going. Seeds and everything. Still not all the way down.
Who's gonna open that water bottle?
There we go. Okay, pink taco so far. Raiders. Hey, the Raiders finally won something today. Did I say that out loud? Oh, man.
The whole thing. Keep going.
Everybody okay so far? Everybody okay so far? Serrano, let's go. Make your own. Hey, don't look at them all, just grab one. You done? Alright, she's gonna go for it. Hey.
She is thinking about it.
Anybody?
Brother guy, she is thinking about it.
Last
Uh-oh, she does. I think she's gonna tap out.
ready, set, what? Oh, what? Wow, you did. Alright, come on.
Jimenez, he's just going for it.
Wait. Espérate.
Hold on.
Wait, she's gonna tap out.
Are you tapping out?
Tapping out?
No. You guys give it up for Alyssa. Come on.
Alyssa, are we done?
She's thinking about it. She says, wait.
You know, I know her strategy. She's making everybody else burn while she takes her time.
Exactly.
So now we're gonna give her 5, 4, 3.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, man. Oh.
She's not playing.
Uh-oh, she ain't playing around. All right, give him one more. Give him a wait for the music to start. Are you thinking about it, Alyssa?
Do you even know me?
Oh, okay.
You don't know me.
What do they have to say over there, brother guy? What does he got to say over there? How you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
He's good. Raider, how you doing for the first game? On your mark, get set. Man, this guy's just going to town. Both of these guys. Uh-oh. I think we got our first victim, brother guy. She's done. She's done.
That's it.
She taps out.
She's got a water.
She's tapping.
You guys give it up for Alyssa.
Alyssa,
Go ahead,
you
take
can have a
it.
churro.
She wants a churro. We'll give him as a consolation prize. Thank you very much. Okay, the guy in the middle is really quiet right now. Look at him sweat.
He's sweating. You're not even saying anything.
Are you all right, bro?
Okay? Are you okay? Are you all right?
You're good.
They don't look like
You look,
you.
I don't know. What about?
Get your next one,
You
guys.
good?
Man, I like jalapenos, but this is ridiculous, man.
You know what we should have done is we should have heated them up. That would have been better.
Yeah.
Chile toreado.
Good toreado.
All right, you guys ready? On the start of the music.
Why are you shaking?
You guys are all shaking. Hold on, you gotta wait. I'm gonna make them suffer.
I know, right?
I'm gonna make them suffer.
You gotta earn that.
Oh man.
You guys ain't chewing it. You gotta chew that. You gotta chew it.
Oh gosh.
Really
Oh, homeboy on the end over there. He thinking of you. No, your face. You're like this. I don't know if I should be doing this.
I'm thinking my Asian brother. He's smiling.
He's smiling over here.
You know what? I think we just took it up to $100 so we finished his bag.
I think so,
and
too.
Toto right here. Toto, he's just one bite. You know what they should do on this one? Hold on.
I'm gonna see who taps out on 8.
Don't
You
bitch
guys
out.
sure you want to keep going? You guys sure? Anybody?
Pink Taco's coughing. Don't rub your eye.
I know.
He's got glasses. They all got glasses on. You guys ready? Ready.
Let's go, baby.
Ready.
There's always a woman in the audience like, go, baby. Like, okay.
He's like, I don't know.
Only for you, baby.
Jeez, man. Oh, man. I feel bad for where Liz with you guys.
Okay, he's coughing now.
This is too much, dude. This is too much, man.
I think
I'd be at UMC already.
I'm at UMC for them.
I'd be at UMC or an urgent care around here. We got any nurses in here?
You know what would
Just in
be good
case?
right after this? Momenti ice cream.
I can't do CPR. Do we have any nurses just in case? We got one nurse, so okay. Is this safe?
No.
It's not. You don't know.
I love how you're prolonging this.
Jeez, man.
Just like candy.
Is it taste like candy? No. Oh man, how many more do we have?
Clap. Come on, let's do this.
Oh, he's back.
Determination.
Disney
I like
style.
it.
Disney style.
Are you good? Are you good? Should we do 3?
Oh, fuck.
You know what?
Oh man, we gotta wait for him to finish.
Hurry
All on
up.
him now, man. No beer until they finish. There you go. Oh, it's for you. Okay. They're thinking about
Text out.
Pink Taco.
Oh, put it right in front of them so they just see it.
Look at that.
Look at that beer. Oh, man.
Look at that.
Jeez. Uh-oh, man. Are you sure you want to keep on, bro? Oh, are you gonna keep on?
Yes, he is.
Oh, he's thinking about it. Brother guy, what do you think? Oh man, my nose is already ready.
He taps out.